While we wait for the big event, we'll have the deputy governor of the state, Ambassador Mary Oyani. You are welcome. The 100 meters men and women. Athletes, please can you return to the clear room now? Thank you.
She don't jump right now, the two they shake. Her body no touch am. That place shake.
We would also like to acknowledge the presence of the first to win 2 medals at the same Olympics in 1996. We also have the Bialim, the coach. He won the African Games 100 meter gold in 2003 in Abuja.